need to worry about that.
Okay, the recording is now on. Yeah. Tell me. You can tell about the like
Sunday,
first day to like whole day. You can tell little about like how like first day what topic and how it helped you. Second day topic how it helped
today
you.
you talked
Yeah.
today you talked about imaginary fear, how to identify imaginary fear and fear, and how to come out of the
Can you speak little
imaginary
louder? You are
fear.
not audible.
One more time, 1 minute. I will check and
Some noise is there.
can you hear?
Yeah, you have to speak little louder.
But now it's clear, I think so.
Yeah, yeah. But
Now,
your voice should be louder. That's all. It is clear now. Yeah.
so before I come out from the fear, first
Hmm.
should understand what is imaginary fear. Then
Hmm.
only we can contribute how to come out from the fear, that imaginary fear. So that was nice, new
Hmm.
topic for me to identify, understand myself.
So
What
there
are
is
the
some
imaginary
background
fears
noise.
I have?
So your voice should be louder. Otherwise,
Um,
fan
otherwise, what is
fan
it?
or something noise is there, or wind.
Wait for a minute. Okay, I'll check. I will off my fan.
Okay, okay.
Satish, I hope now it would be better.
Yes, yes,
I hope so.
yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, okay. So that was the first day experience. I learned from that
Hmm.
how to identify the imaginary fear and
Hmm.
how to come out from the fear and all. I learned first day.
Hmm.
Second day, you talked about present, past, future
Hmm.
things, thoughts, how present thoughts affect the future,
Hmm.
how past thoughts, past things affected the future, how
Hmm.
future things affected present tense, presenting moments. That's what you talked about second day.
Hmm.
So if you heal your past and how to deal with the future like that, if you understand, we can do better in the present. Be in the present time. You talk about the second day. That day you talk about personality, identity, self-aware, like that. So I think so. Fourth day we had a workout on how presentation make me
Hmm.
was to think about me, self-doubt, and
Hmm.
like that few topic we took and work on that to understand what was my problem, and
Hmm.
you figure out these things is not like that you thinking, so you can change these things, then you can do better.
Hmm.
That's like you uh, figure out some points from me. That
Hmm.
was nice experience. After that, I little bit increased my confidence level, could
Hmm.
speak better, communicate. Satish,
Yes.
thank you so much.
Yeah. Great. I can see in your smile. Right.
Yeah,
Right
yes.
now you can alone. Like nobody is there. Right. Many people can join, but nobody joined. But you joined and you spoke aram say there is no like first day it is you're not like comfortable or like that after the last session you are comfortable to speak, right? Even though
Yeah, yeah,
voice is not there, we can correct whatever is there, right?
yeah.
And you
Yes,
can
yes,
speak. There is no fear or doubt. Nothing was there, right? You can speak
yes.
freely, right?
Yeah,
That's great.
yeah. Satish,
Hmm.
I can I ask a question and ask about
Yeah.
your experience? The what was how you come out from the situation? How you grown up like this? In right now you are speaking with the confidence. I'm really amazing about when thinking about you and doing all the works and making figure out the problems which is making not making grown up like that you identify in from others. I'm really amazing wanting to know about how you do you are working with that. Shall I know about it? If you don't
Yes.
mind, can you
Yeah.
share with me?
Like how I learned this and all, right? Training.
Yeah,
Ac- Actually, I from first 4 years I attending multiple trainings. Okay,
okay,
from international leaders. Like we attend multiple trainings. So
okay,
from that I am started growing. Right now also I attend multiple trainings.
okay,
Okay. So like that I grown
yeah,
from last 4 years. Otherwise, 15 years back, I am. If I look at me, no, I can't speak in front of people. I can't go attend interviews. I can't speak English. There's so much chance there. Like I'm very doubtful about myself. I always think like I'm not good, right?
okay,
So I am hesitant. I can't speak to girls or like unknown people. So that's kind of a person I was. So in the training, like I attended many trainings. So then I find out that like whatever I believing is not true, right? Simply I am believing something and I am making it true and I am living like that. So I thought like there is no point in living like that. Like that is very frustrating every day, right? There is no growth. Like always worried about like what people will think. They are worried what I will think. I am worried what they will think, right? So that's what is there. Then fear, everything. Like in the journey, like I found out that there is no like fear, like very few, like in past 25 years, two, three incidents happened, like that are really fearful, like uh, real fear. Okay. Other than most of the fears are like imaginary. There is no point in like fighting with that. I fight it. I am fighting every day from 15 years to come out of that.
mm,
So I attended many trainings also that are not like how to come over, like overcome fears and all. But it was not useful. Many trainings I attended that are not useful. Like only few training programs. Like one of the program was very useful was Landmark Forum. It was like world Landmark Worldwide is a leader in training and development industry. That company, and they provide trainings all over the world. Okay. So that is the most help training program for me. I attend many programs, nothing helped. I spend a lot of money.
okay,
So the Landmark Forum was like the very effective program I attended. And also they charge very less actually, what the value they were given. So that they transformed my life actually. From that day, like from that I learned many things. So I applied that.
okay,
So I came to the truth. I came to know the truth. Like before, like there was some trainings, overcome fear. Okay. Then we tried that, nothing happened. Right. When I came to know there is a imaginary fear and real fear, then there is no point of fighting it with imaginary fear, right?
yeah,
And there's no need of fighting also. We can be however we are, right? We can be ourselves. We can do our best every day. We can grow daily,
Yeah.
right? So that point of that kind of training helped me very well. Mm.
But you are doing figure outing the problems
Hmm.
with because of these problems.
Hmm.
You are not growing like that. You can identify the problems in others.
Yeah, because I like when I understand myself, no, I can understand you because we both are human beings, right? The way I think, no, the same way you also think. Maybe a little bit different, but the way will be similar. Okay. I failed in when I failed, I think like I am small, I am not good enough. Okay. Some failure, like people will think any failure, no, people will think like that only. I am not good, I'm not good enough, I am not smart, right? So I also think in certain way like that only, right? So human beings operate in same way actually.
Okay. But
Every
you are doing your problem solving skills, the method which you are using, that was also nice. So only I'm eager to learn what the skills, how do you apply that, having any blueprints to work out on that.
okay.
That's all.
So like if you want to learn deeper, like you can learn through like you can attend landmark forum. If you search for landmarkworldwide.com, if you go and search, there is a company landmark worldwide. They conduct landmark forums, many courses like on like how to discover yourself, like what and all truth myths are there in life.
Okay.
So many things you will discover deeply.
Okay.
So that you can go and search in the website, which city you are, you can select. Like almost more than 50, 60 countries already it is there. That education is there.
Okay. Okay.
So you can directly join and learn that.
Oh,
Okay,
sure.
and also I am also planning like to come with very easy methods to come out of that. Like I'm creating a course.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I will be building.
Oh,
So I will share with you if like when it's finalized and all.
sure.
So for deeper learning, that is the best. Like I attended many trainings. In the best is that landmark forum.
Okay.
You can directly go and attend.
Okay. It's a good.
Hmm.
Let me check. But
Hmm.
another thing you said you're doing some tradings and other business also.
Yes.
But now I am a student. Um, is there any chances to do some other business tradings like that? Have you any plans? Have you any suggestions regarding my topic, my jobs?
Like you are into teaching, right?
Yeah.
So you can take online. You can
Okay.
create a module. Like if you already have, you can take it to online. You can create your own brand.
Mm.
Okay, and where you can run like we are doing digital marketing, digital advertising, like online. How you can grow like that? We will be running the advertisement for coaches, trainers, teachers, consultants. Okay, for them what we will do, like they have already have the knowledge, they are already teaching or they want to come to the teaching. What they will do, they will create a course. Okay, based on their expertise, like they will create a course, then they will come to us. Like we want like to reach many people, so we want to help with our knowledge, so we can we want to expand. So what we will do, we will create a advertising Facebook ads for them. Okay,
Okay.
YouTube
Okay.
ads, like that we will start the campaign. So like who are interested, no, they will come on that
Mm.
topic.
Mm.
If a teaching math, then people will be want to learn and all, no?
Yeah.
So they will come like that. Like I ran a Facebook ad actually. You
Mm.
clicked on that.
Yeah.
Okay, when you clicked on that, you came.
Yes.
Okay. So like that, like I ran a trial ad for few people only. So in the large extent we can do like people like thousands of people will come at a time. In that, like so few people will be very interested. Few people will come first day, second day they will not come. Few people will like will be there for last day also, right? It is like that. If 1,000 people come, like at least 20% people will be there on last day. When they learn about like your techniques or your teaching style or anything they like, no, they will start paying you, and maybe tuition every month they will pay, or you can create a bundle course and you can sell it for, you fix a price and you can sell it. So that is the best model. Online you can create your own course, your own subject. Which subject you are taking?
Clinical social work,
Clinical.
psychology. Yeah, yeah.
clinical
Sociology, social, social work and sociology related topics.
Sociology.
Yeah.
Mhm. Like what topics, main topics? It will be
Uh,
useful for a whom, like students or
Useful for clinical social work students.
clinical
Mainly
students.
social work. Yeah. Social work.
Social work and clinical.
Yes,
Clinical
yes.
means it medical students or
Yeah, medical student. I'm
okay.
doing my MPhil in medical college, Stanley Medical College.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So what you can do, no? You can teach the people, like new students you can teach,
Okay.
or else your juniors you can teach, or else in the same your a like your class students only, like how much like you are scoring, like how like you are scoring 90%, 80%, like how is your score in your studies?
Regarding my academic
Yes,
subject,
like
I
you are
am
in
averaging 70 to 80. I will take.
7 to 8 to 80, right?
Yeah.
So you can teach people who want to score 70 to 80, because you already scored 70, 80, no?
Yeah.
You can teach people who are scoring 30, 35, 40, no? You can tell them like I can help you to like score 70%. You can tell your secret, like how you score 70%.
Okay.
Okay. So person is scoring 35 passing mark, no? He can teach people who are failed in exam. They want to just pass. Okay, everybody has opportunity. Okay, people like who just pass, they have opportunity. Who have failed in exam, they can help them to just pass. They know how to just pass. Okay, they will be good in it. Okay, person who score distinction 70, 80, they can teach people who scoring who are failing or just scoring passing mark, how you can score 10%, 20% extra. Okay, that is one you can do. Or else you can teach medical students or new people, like or your juniors, second year, first year. So how you can score pass or get good marks, or like what is the like people who want to know about this and all, you can teach them. So online you have huge opportunity, like people like you can reach the whole world, right? Sitting in home you can reach whole world.
Yes. However, you are talking about your Facebook ads like that. Um, for Facebook ads, we have to pay anything.
Yeah, advertising will cost. It will be like not like TV ads and all, it is so much expensive, right? It will be very low. We can
Okay.
start
Okay. Okay.
with minimum budget,
Okay.
right? Slowly you can increase like that. There are many opportunities are there.
Okay. So this.
And also like if you want to go professionally, you can invest lakhs of rupees also. But initially starting with like minimum, you can start, you can practice like this, like people will come, people will not come, it's fine. Even one person is there, you can continue the session, right?
Sorry, Satish.
It's fine.
Network issue.
Hmm.
I'm connected through my phones and laptop. For my camera, I'm using my phone. Yes, I got a call from another number, so this connection was cut.
Okay. And any questions you have regarding the topics you learned so far? Any questions, anything, or you are free fully, or anything you want?
As much as I listened to your class, you thoroughly teach Satish. I could understand all the portions you make it. Yes, sir. And from what you have teach, I have no doubts and no questions regarding that, Satish. But the you methods you taking and select the topics are very nice. Yeah, that was useful for me.
Great.
Yeah.
Like next, like when you are like starting your own coaching or online coaching in your like.
After 6 months, I have to do. I I will do so. I'm not at a plan like that to do, but now I am doing my research project, so I have to working on that too. After finishing it, I can think about it to do online.
So better to do parallelly.
Okay.
Okay, you can start free sessions,
Okay.
free trainings. You can take here and there without running the ad. Also, you can do. Like you can create a post and put it in Facebook pages and all that research pages or medical groups, medical who are learning same thing. No,
Yeah.
there will be a groups in the Facebook. Okay, you can join that group and you can tell like, or you can create a YouTube channel that is free, right? Create a YouTube channel, create 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute videos every day,
Okay.
so that within 6 months you will be having a lot of subscribers. Then
Okay.
you can create a course. Then also you can give them without running any ads or any spending. When you have followings, no, people will follow you, right?
Yeah.
Every day, if you keep on posting the videos about one topics or anything, so then people start like who medical students are in the same category, no?
Yeah.
People will watch. You can share like what is the problems, what is the solution, like what challenges will come if people choose to your like learning or job in the social medical. What is that,
Clinical social work.
right? In that work, whoever interested, no? What and all challenges you can share, like what challenges you faced, like how to get a good position in that, how you can grow, what and all you learned. Every day you can make one on topic videos, so that in social media your followings will increase. People will start following you, learn from you, so that it will help many people. So that is the best strategy now.
Okay.
It will not take much time also. Yeah, already you are learning, only you have to take a mobile and just shoot one small video. And if you know editing little bit you can do, others you can directly upload that. Then people will start watching that, and that is the best strategy you can use.
Okay. Okay, Suresh.
Okay. And anything else you
No,
want to
Suresh.
know?
We will keep in touch.
Fine.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Suresh.
So if you want to know anything, we can, like any other challenges, anything you want to learn, I can cover one topic.
Yeah, if you have any topic to cover, I am eager to learn about it, Satish. You can take one topic today.
Okay. So we can talk about high performance today. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. High performance. Like who will perform high? Who is the high performer? Can you give me an example?
Who working hard will get high performance.
Who is that? Can you tell me?
You're asking the person, the department who is working there. Suddenly, I'm getting in my mind is Sachin Tendulkar.
Huh?
Sachin Tendulkar.
Okay. Who is high performer? Okay. One is Sachin. Okay.
Yeah.
Sachin in cricket. Okay.
He was my inspiration when he was studying in school.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Sachin in cricket and any other field, you know, high performers.
Dr. Ashwin. He's a inspiration doctor.
Ashwin.
Yeah.
Who is Ashwin?
He's a doctor. He will post regarding clinical and physical health related postings on the medias, and he have a YouTube channel. He will update the health checkup, how to increase, boost your immunity like that. He will exercise and make it upload, and will tell some tips to the youth how to develop and keeps your health well. Like that tips, he will update on the YouTube's as well Facebook page. So
Okay.
he's also inspired.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Anybody else you follow?
Dr. Sailendra Babu.
Mm-hmm.
He is IPS in Tamil Nadu.
Mm-hmm.
He is, I think, he would age more than 56, but still he is doing exercises like youth boys doing,
Mm-hmm.
and doing cycling all over the India, and doing swimming in the seas, and he is a big inspiration for me.
Mm-hmm.
While I'm studying in college, he came there, and by the time after, I was inspired by him.
Okay. So, like Sachin, like we can take the example of Sachin, okay? So that we can understand deeply. Like, so when it comes to high performer, like why Sachin is the high performer?
He is century clock.
Hmm.
His score level was many times he scored a century.
Okay. Is it like is it because of score?
Yeah, not, yes, of course. And score the way he is treating others.
Score make high performer?
Yes, score and treating people,
Hmm?
and he treating others the way he treats others.
Mhm. Yeah, in high performance, any other things, his score and anything else makes him high performer, like relationship with people, right?
Yeah, relationship.
Hmm. Anything else makes him a high performer?
He will do lots of practice.
Practice.
His practice videos.
Okay.
His six. When he's striking to the six. That's nice to see.
Okay. So here, no,
Yeah.
like people will be playing in the ground. Okay.
Okay.
players. Okay.
Okay.
And here will be, who will be here?
Players.
Watching,
Audience.
watching match. Okay, audience. Okay. Okay. So in a game, players are playing. Okay, audience are watching. Okay. So where is it? Where is it? Okay. To high, to perform high, to perform, no, where you should be,
In the ground.
right? So audience, can any audience can high perform?
Can perform. They can perform. Not up
Audience,
to the ground floor. Not
audience.
up to. They cannot perform in the stadium, but outside they can perform.
So in the, like, people are in here and people are here. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Now who can perform, high perform,
Players only.
right? Here people, any chance they have to high perform?
No,
What people will do here?
no.
Like here, what people will do?
Just simply watching and make fun and encourage to
Watching, commenting. Okay.
commenting, encouraging, clapping, shouting.
Okay, commenting, right? In commenting, they may shout, gossip, right? Encourage. Okay, they are doing this. Okay, so in here, players, what they are doing?
They're playing in that role. They,
Okay, their action, taking action every moment. Okay,
yeah.
and plan. They will take action. They will plan. They will take action. They will plan. They will take action. Okay, it will be on the ground. Okay.
Okay.
So, so people are watching the game, okay, and few people are playing the game,
Yes.
okay. So, so there is no way, like, people here, audience, there is no way they can high perform or they can perform. Why? They
They're
can,
not doing action. Just simply watching,
right?
not come out to do any action
Hmm.
and workouts.
So, so in your life, like, are you watching and commenting or taking action?
Most of the time I'm doing watching alone. Sometimes only I'm simply going to the battle and do some works.
Hmm. Okay. So you have to, like, look at in your life where and all you are watching, commenting, gossiping, okay, and where and all you are taking actions, okay. So, so what actions you can take?
as you said, I can do some YouTube videos regularly, a 1 minute video, and post video on the social media. I
Mhm.
will, I can share the experience what I getting to others. Through that, I can get some improve knowledge of mine and get some followers. Through them, I can improve my knowledge, do some actions because
Okay.
of them.
Okay. So that
If
is the
I,
action plan.
yeah,
Okay. And in the same aspect, you are watching, commenting, or what you are doing in the same aspect till now. You have many ideas. Okay. How
yeah,
you can do? You have many ideas.
no, no,
Okay. But till now, what you are doing?
just watching and commenting, saying that things only.
Mhm. So what are you watching and what you are commenting till now?
Watching, I will watch some comedy videos and watch
No,
movies.
no. Like here is the like your growth. Okay.
Okay,
So if you consider here is your growth. Okay.
okay,
Growth. Maybe like what you are taking, like what plans you have, like specific plans, like how you want to grow. What plans
business.
you have some plans, but you not taken action. What is that plan?
Maybe as you said, posting regular basis 1 minute video. What I have, what I
Like
experienced.
so, making video is a your game. Okay,
Okay,
is game. Okay, so and you what you are doing, you are watching videos, and what you are doing till now.
just watching and getting enjoyment, and that's all. Other other than that,
and
I'm not.
and you will be telling something, no, when it comes like when you think about making the video, what you will say, what you comment.
After sometimes procrastination,
Okay,
start
so
it on later.
here, no, in the game, no,
Yeah,
Sachin is playing, people are what people will say, he should play like that. Okay,
yeah.
okay, I play better than him.
Mm,
Okay,
mm.
so what people will say, other than what and all you comment and gossip if you watching the match, Sachin
Yeah,
is not performing.
while Sachin is not performing, he cannot. The man, he lost his all strength. He left. He is another performer. He's just a joker and come and go.
Mhm,
No useful at all by him.
mhm.
I will
Okay,
better play rather than him. That's the people would say.
okay. And anything else, right? Okay, here your game is making the video. Okay, so here you are the audience and you are the player. Okay, okay. What you will say? I am not good in video, right? Or what you say? I don't know. Like I'm not perfect. What?
I can do it on later. Procrastination. Posting the things, it will
Okay,
happen later.
okay. I will do later.
After getting all the things by hand, Can I start?
After everything perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
One day someday I will do. Okay. So see here anything like by saying this, no, anything happens to the your game.
No.
Here you saying all this, no, anything can happen in the game.
No.
Right, nothing it can happen, like nothing growth will happen in the game. Your game is making the video or like speaking to people or giving your knowledge to people, or because of your knowledge many people can get benefit. Okay, right?
Yes.
So but anything that will happen when you are like the audience, like in your own game you are the audience,
Yes.
right? In spite of playing you are telling all this. So if you tell 1 year same this, no, anything happens to the game. Okay, you tell this for 2 years, anything happens here.
Nothing will happen.
If you say this for 10 years, anything happens here, right? Game will not move. Okay, your game will not move because you are audience, like you are the person who is commenting on something. I should play better, like I am not good, or like I will become perfect then I will play. Okay, if Sachin tells the same thing, no, I will become a better batsman then I will go and play. Is it possible to become a high performer or best player?
No.
Okay, do you know Sachin what is he good at, what he practiced for lifetime?
Mm, 6th century. He's taking names for score high centuries.
Okay, so to play a century what he practiced?
Practiced, practiced how to tackle the ball and play well. He practiced cricket.
Hmm.
Like
He practiced cricket.
yes.
Okay, so does he practice cricket?
Yes, sure.
So in cricket, no, when you say cricket, no, there are many things. Like there are very good bowlers
Batting,
are
batting.
there,
Yes.
batsmen
He
are there,
practice.
right?
He practicing batting.
Okay. So what he started, no, batting, right?
Yes.
So what he is practiced is only one thing, okay, hitting the ball. Okay, only he practiced hitting the ball, just how to hit. He know very well how to hit. He don't know like how to ball well, how to keeping or field. Okay, he's not like great in that. He knows all that, but he's not like great famous. Not because of that all. He only famous because he know how to hit.
Batting.
Only he practice how to hit a ball.
Yes.
Okay, so when he started hitting the ball, okay, he maybe failed many times. Okay, even though after he is very successful, then also he failed many times. He didn't score well in between. Okay, again he started playing, again he became successful, again he practiced. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, he is a like world class batsman. Okay, he is the god in batsman or batting, right? So here, no, here what actions you should do, like what he is practicing and what you should practice here in making the video.
I have to practice myself first and start doing it. Start to post in social media first.
So you just have to make 1 minute video and you have to post. That is the only one action. Okay, in this, like you like in specifically in making the video,
Yeah.
if that is the game, then you have to just make one video. Maybe it is 1 minute, like every day you will make it.
Mhm.
So when you practice that, it automatically you will be very good in speaking in the camera. Okay, or you will become very good in delivering, and also you will be very good in making the videos. Okay, so only one action you have to do. Okay, and what and all this is there, no, this is the like commentator work. Okay, this is not your work. Okay,
Okay.
this people will say what is there and all commentary they can do, right? Like
Mm.
you are you can do one thing at a time. Okay, you can
Yes.
play the game, or you can tell that is not possible, this is not
Comments.
possible, I am not good, I am good, I will do one day, when I will become perfect then I will do.
Mm.
Okay,
Yes.
so you have to start taking action, maybe 1 minute, 10 minutes, half an hour. If you start every day, like after 1 year what will happen?
I could have improved my communication skill, and I could create better posting videos. I could have experience in posting videos, and I could have a lot of friends, subscribers who following me.
Right,
And through their constructive comments, I could have better perform. I could
yes,
have more knowledge getting that this thing paid.
yes. So now you have to decide. Okay, there is nothing. Okay, like this is also you created, this is also you created, right? Making the video is your game, you created that,
Yeah.
right? And this is also who created,
Yeah. Me only.
right? This is also you created. Okay, now you can be here or you can be here, it can't be both. Okay,
Yeah.
if you are here you will make everyday video. Okay, if you are here you will continue the same thing, maybe like from last 1 year, 2 year, like you are watching the videos, you want to make the videos, you will be saying I will perfect, I will become perfect one day, I will do, or I will do one day.
Mm.
Okay, so now you have to declare where you will be, you will become a player
Creative.
or you will become an audience.
I have to be a player in
Okay,
playground. I have to play.
so only player can perform or high perform. Okay, when you here you will start performing, and when you practice after 1 year you will be like high performing, like like you did it regularly, then your speed will increase.
Mm.
Okay, then you will become high perform, you will be doing videos, you will be teaching people, right? You will be having one job, or like you will be doing some other things as well.
Mm.
Okay, so online, offline, YouTube, Facebook, like everywhere you are there.
Mm. Yeah.
So when you are there everywhere, like you will automatically performing better, right? You will be performing high.
Mm.
Many people will not do that, right?
Yeah.
So are you clear?
Yes, Sadish.
Okay, and like only action can do what?
High perform.
So only action can make you perfect. Regular, like repeated action. Okay, action can make you perfect. Okay, action every day can make you perfect, right?
Yes.
So you said here perfect, right? So sitting here can, like if you sit here for 100 years also, can you become perfect,
No.
right? So only action will tell. Okay. Your knowledge doesn't matter how much knowledge you have or not. It doesn't matter. If you take action, you will make it.
Yeah.
Okay. Or else you will be here
In the audience.
lifelong gossiping about people, blaming. Oh, if I had that, I will be better. If my father given that, I will be better. Okay. If people supported me, I will be better. Okay. You'll be blaming. Or else you'll be like, I'll become perfect one day. I will do. Okay. I want to do. I will do it later. Okay. This is what will happen here. Nothing in action. Right. So, so what you will do from today?
I will try to do on action every day by
Right.
starting posting videos or something like doing posting something new thoughts in my social media.
Okay.
That's like action plan I have to start from today.
So only you have to take action. You don't know or don't know, it's fine. Okay. If you take action, you will get the result.
Okay.
Okay. Every action you take, you will develop.
Mm,
Every action you don't take, you will decrease your value.
okay.
Right. You know many things. Okay. If you share with somebody, it can help one person. It can change his life. Okay. So if you don't share that, you will also not develop. The person is also not developed.
Yes.
Okay. So and every action comes with failure. Okay. When you
Okay.
take actions, no,
Mm.
first what will come?
I have to face some failures.
Okay. Every action first you will get a failure. Okay.
Failure.
So failure means,
Not getting intended result.
okay, not getting intended result. When you say it, failure means not getting intended result, then you are not attached to it. Okay.
Mm.
If you say I failed,
Mm.
when you will be attached to it and you will not take action. Emotionally, you will get attached.
Okay.
Failure means something,
Okay.
one task you did something, failed. That's all. When you started cycling, swimming, right? First time you will fall down,
All it. Mm.
right? Any practical action,
Okay.
if you see, when you started learning ABCD, right? Is
Mm.
it become perfect first day,
No.
right? So if you think practically, like every action, whenever you start something new, every action, first action, if you know all the knowledge about YouTube also, you'll in first action you will fail, right? You will fail to produce one small result. That's all,
Mm.
right?
Okay.
So now this can't will not stop you. This will not stop you, right? You can
Yes.
take these actions, right?
Yes.
Only these actions you can take every day, right? Action every day, action. Okay.
Okay, Satish.
Anything else?
I get the idea
Okay.
from you also, Satish,
Yeah.
and I'm motivated by your status, and you are taking class to me, and you're giving some suggestions and figure out this can be improved and you can get a high performance and like that. Yes, surely I will do, Sadish. You are the one of my inspirer.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sadish, for
Okay.
being with
Take
me
a
and
action
you're
every
spending
day.
time with me.
Yeah. Take action every day. Okay. Also, like you can teach many people, you can help many people. Okay. So only this high performance. No, if you apply it to anything you want, you will become better at it. Okay. So this high performance is not only for video. Okay. Anything. If you are reading also, if you start reading every day, you will become good at it. If you start teach,
Okay.
you'll become good at it. Okay. So Sachin's secret is practice. Only one practice he did for lifetime was just hitting the ball.
Practice.
Okay. So that will be there for you all the time. Okay. So take action, have a great results. Okay. So you can call me or you can share me your what and all you created this week, what and all actions you took, and what results, how much you grow, right? You can share with me. Okay. Take
Sure,
care.
sure,
Thank
Sadish.
you. Thank you.
Thank you, Sadish. Thank
Okay.
you.
Take
Take
care.
care.
Bye.
You take care.
Yeah. Bye
Thank you.
bye.
Bye, Sadish.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.